How to turn on YouTube notifications. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up YouTube. Now tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on settings at the top right corner. Now simply tap on notifications. Then simply enable the toggle for notifications you want to turn on. Then go back to the home screen and open up settings on your device. Then scroll down. Now tap on apps. Then go to app management. Then scroll all the way down to the bottom and find YouTube. Now tap on YouTube. Now tap on manage notifications. Now simply enable this toggle. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.